Okay, hello everyone, hopefully you all are doing fine, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about parameters and arguments. So parameter is something, whatever is passed onto the parenthesis of a function is known as parameters. On the other hand, the value which is passed on to the parameter is known as argument. So you'll understand things clearly while I code. So now first of all, let us write a function. Suppose the name of the function is profile, it's parentheses, and let us give the curly braces. Let us pass two arguments, parameters known as name and age. Okay, so if we console log, the name is $name and age is okay. And if we now invoke this function, so now first of all declare the parameters, pass the arguments. So here name and age are the parameters, and let us pass the values, that is Tanzim, and let age be 25. Okay, so if you run this script, let us see what happens. Okay, the name is Tanzim and age is 25. Let's put my name. So I guess you're clear with now what is an argument and what is a parameter. So here you see in a function this name and age inside the parentheses, these things are parameters, and if you just place your mouse here you will see parameters. And though you can't see anything here, but in profile these things, name and age, these are known as arguments. So I guess we are very much done with functions and arguments. Just one last thing, you can also write it this way. You can directly put the arguments, pass the arguments in the parenthesis of a function. And now if you run node script.js, okay, we need to comment this out, otherwise it will give me an error. And we need to take all these out because now I've already passed the argument inside this parenthesis. So I don't need to pass the arguments while invoking the function. If you run this and let us see what happens. You see you get the same thing, but it's not much recommended. So I guess we are done with functions and arguments and parameters. So now you can just, you know how to declare a function, how to invoke a function, you know what is arguments and parameters. I guess you're good to go with function. In the next thing, we will explain what is returning values in a function. So that is very much it, and see you soon. Thank you.